Hi guys!
Thanks for joining us for this video.
Dang it.
Many seconds later.
Hi guys! Thanks for joining us for this video.
And welcome back to our Dirty Dancing video series. In this video, we're going to be discussing how to do all the moves in the next section of the choreography. If you want to look at how to time them to the song, be sure to check out our musicality video in the same section. Otherwise, have a look at our earlier videos to get all caught up. Let's get into it.
We welcome you to the show.
Alright, now let's have a look at the footwork for this section, starting with the leads. Okay, so we're starting off in this close embrace with our partner, and we're going to turn away from her to our left and step on our left foot immediately away from her, taking 3 steps. So, once we reach our musical cue, we're turning step 1, right, left, and then on this left foot we're going to pivot back to our partner, and then shift our weight to our right and take another 3 steps. So 1, 2, 3, and since our weight's on our right, we can now go into the salsa timing with our left stepping forward. So 1, and then to the side on our right, 2, back together, and then back on the right, forward and together. And now that our weight's on our right foot again, we're going to take a rock step back on our left, rock step, shift the weight back to our right, and then take 4 steps around our partner, left, right, left, right. And now that our weight's on our right, we're going to rock step away from our partner. So take our left foot and step to the side, rock, step, and that's it for this section.
Now let's go over the follower steps. Alright, so we're just going to stand here, we gaze at our partner, and he comes back. And now we're back to the closed position, and we're going to go back on our right foot. Back, replace our weight to the left, right foot forward, pivot, right foot down, left foot side. Now we're going to go back with our right foot, replace our weight to the left, and we're going to take 4 steps walking around together. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then right foot back for the rock step, replacing our weight to the left.
Alright, now let's take a look at the lead and follow for this section. Alright, so from here we're just stepping away from our follow, and then as we step back, we want to make sure we have our arms up ready to get into that closed position frame, because you're not going to have a ton of time to sort it out. We want to make sure it's a nice smooth transition. So as we approach our partner,
and followers, we're accepting his invitation to a closed position.
And then we'll just go through our footwork, and then as I'm bringing my follow across me, actually we'll switch angles here. So as I'm bringing my follow across, I'm switching my grip here, okay? So we're going from her on top of my hand to holding her fingers like a cup, kind of almost, and that's just going to help out with the rock step coming afterwards, so we don't have to twist anyone's wrist, okay? And then immediately after the rock step, we're switching back to the regular grip. So you want to make sure you're comfortable being able to switch that grip with your partner. We don't have any death grips, right? It's very smooth and fluid, and we're both kind of communicating with that.
So followers, just make sure you have a light grip so he can switch that for you.
Exactly, so we'll go back to the original angle. So we're here, we're doing our rock step, and then we switch our grip back once more to walk around our partner. And then as we come back to do our next rock step for the end of this section, again we're applying the light pressure here, pressing into our follow and stepping away from her.
You want to make sure you have good posture. That's for both people. So you don't want to take a huge step back, because otherwise you'll be reaching too much. So we take a small step, we go back, and replace our weight here.
Exactly, so keep in mind we're just taking this rock step to generate some momentum for the lift that's going to come after this. We'll go over that in the next section, but the important thing here is don't break your frame with your partner. Make sure we're not stepping so far away she comes off our shoulder, okay? So make sure we take a reasonably sized rock step and generate the momentum for the next part. Alright, now let's talk about the connection and styling for this section. Okay, so remember that at the end of the previous section, we're kind of in this very close position with our follow, and we're kind of like grooving, and the lead kind of lowers himself down to her level a little bit to kind of like enhance the moment. If your follow happens to be taller than you, maybe she lowers herself down, whatever you think is appropriate for your kind of styling. And then once we're ready, we're going to sharply turn and walk away. 1, 2, 3, and then again sharply turn and come back. And then once again, as we get into this closed position, make sure it's clear what we're doing. and then lead her around us.
And then here we have some styling options. We can bring our arm out, match our partner, have our hand parallel with the floor, and palm down.
And then we'll get into our walk around.
Back into the closed position.
And then once again, we're taking this rock step and relying on this pressure again. Yeah, that's about it.
Thanks for joining us, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more content by Green Bay Ballroom. If you want to check out how these moves line up with the timing of the song, check out our musicality video on the same section. Otherwise, have a look at our earlier videos to get all caught up. We hope to see you there.
Bye.